discussing variety of independent and dependent career options based on mass communications or mass media. There is a huge possibility right in Indian space and economy where you can pursue a degree course, maybe undergraduation or post-graduation in mass communications, whether BJMC, Bachelors of Journalism and Mass Communications, BA in Mass Communications or Mass Media, or maybe on a postgraduate level, MA in Mass Communications or Mass Media or Mass Comm, MA in Mass Communications or Mass Comm. We do have variety of universities, autonomous college and deemed to be universities which are offering this variety of courses. Now first of all, look forward to, do you have the kind of interest which can back up these job profiles which I have mentioned on this whiteboard. Now most importantly, you should remember that mass communication or media is that domain in which the given professional should be linguistic, Linguistic. What do you mean by linguistic? The moment I pronounce the word linguistic, what idea do you collect or recollect from the same? That means you should have a decent speaking skill. You should have a good pronunciation. You should have an ability to encode your thoughts in language. You should have an ability to connect with the receiver of the information. You should have an ability to establish an effective communication. Now you see, there must be your friends, your relatives, your knowns or maybe your seniors who are there in this variety of job profiles. क्या आपने न्यूज रिपोर्टर्स नहीं देखे हैं? आज के सिनेरियो में और जमाने में सबसे ज्यादा मीडिया चैनल्स पे लोग जो दिखते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा जो लोग मीडिया चैनल्स पे दिखते हैं और जो पॉपुलर हैं वो है न्यूज रिपोर्टर. आप कहीं भी अ डॉग सिंकिंग इन अ वाटर इन अ पॉन्ड और मे बी कहीं पे एक छोटा सा झगड़ा और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट और कहीं पर अ फादर हु हैज आस्क्ड हिज सन टू लीव द हाउस और सम कपल एलोप्ड समवेयर, हर तरह की न्यूज रिपोर्टर आज के सिनेरियो में रिकॉर्ड करने को तैयार हैं. दिस मीन्स there are variety of job options. It is not always that the information which I am recording should be very very important to the citizen. People record anything and they broadcast and publish. That means ki it is not very much suitable, but definitely it is explicit that there are variety of job options which you may access. News reading किसी भी अच्छे reputed well known private channel में, well known नहीं भी है तो कोई बात नहीं, casual level पर, permanent level पर, दूरदर्शन पर, गवर्नमेंट चैनल्स पे बहुत पॉसिबिलिटी है न्यूज रीडिंग की. क्या होना चाहिए? ऑडिबिलिटी इन वॉइस, प्रोनाउंसिएशन, पिच न्यूट्रल, अ प्रॉपर पिच. दीज स्किल्स यू शुड हैव टू बी अ न्यूज रीडर. नेक्स्ट, रेडियो जॉकी. रेडियो जॉकी के साथ साथ मैं ये भी मेंशन कर दूं, वीडियो जॉकी यंगस्टर्स के लिए बहुत ही लिक्रेटिव जॉब प्रोफाइल है, प्रॉफिट यील्डिंग, बहुत ग्लैमरस है, लोग करना चाहते हैं. रेडियो जॉकी और वीडियो जॉकी आपने सुन रखा होगा, आप जानते हो. बी अ मैस कॉम ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम अ टॉप टियर कॉलेज एंड एक्सेस अ प्रोफाइल ऑफ रेडियो जॉकी और वीडियो जॉकी इन मोस्ट ऑफ द ग्लैमरस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Cinematography is a very advanced technique of shooting documentaries, shooting films, shooting short films, shooting clips, shooting animations. तो सिनेमाटोग्राफी एक हाई एंड टेक्नोलॉजी है जो आप सीख सकते हो और किसी भी काम को जो ऑडियो वीडियो शूट है, इस प्रोफाइल को आप बैक एंड में कंट्रोल करते हो. ठीक है, तो बैक एंड तो आप कह सकते हैं कि ये मीडिया बिजनेस का ऑपरेशंस मैनेजमेंट है. एंकर एंड मॉडरेटर, आप देखते हैं न्यूज चैनल पे एंकर क्वेश्चंस करते रहते हैं, लोग आंसर करते रहते हैं, इंटरव्यूज करते रहते हैं, न्यूज पढ़ते रहते हैं, बहुत सारे चैनल्स को होस्ट करते रहते हैं. ये क्या है? एंकरिंग है. और जो एंकरिंग करता है वो होता है एंकर. मॉडरेटर और एंकर एक तरह से सिनोनिम्स आप ले सकते हो, क्योंकि आपने नॉर्मली बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे ऐसा देखा होगा, सेलिब्रिटीज को, रिकॉग्नाइज्ड स्पोर्ट्स पर्संस को, रिलीजियस स्कॉलर्स को, पॉलिटिशियंस को, एडुकेशनिस्ट को, इन सभी को लीडर्स को इनवाइट किया जाता है और कुछ सर्टेन टॉपिक पे, मे बी डीमोनेटाइजेशन, मे बी कैब, मे बी एनआरसी, मे बी चेंजेस इन द एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, इस तरह के सर्टेन चैलेंजिंग टॉपिक्स दिए जाते हैं और उन सभी के व्यूज उस पर मांगे जाते हैं, डिमांड किए जाते हैं और फाइनली वो लोग एक कंक्लूजन पे आते हैं कि क्या होना चाहिए क्या नहीं। तो वहां पे द बंदा हु इज द प्रोफेशनल बंदा, who is the professional, who is there to moderate the conversation, regulate the conversation, as we do regulate the fan via the regulator। तो वो एक मॉडरेटर होता है, तो कॉन्वर्जेशन को मॉडरेट करता है। अगर कॉन्वर्जेशन किसी दूसरे शिफ्ट में जा रही है तो उसको मॉडरेट कर वापस लाएगा अपने ट्रैक पर, एजेंडे पे। अगर कॉन्वर्जेशन बहुत ज्यादा एग्रेसिवली बैकड अप हो रही है तो उस कॉन्वर्जेशन को वो कूल करेगा और लोगों को वापस लेकर आएगा और एक तरीके का रिलेशनशिप, वो जो फॉर्मल रिलेशनशिप रिक्वायर्ड है, डिसिप्लिन रिक्वायर्ड है, उसको वो मेंटेन करेगा। दैट पर्सन इज मॉडरेटर। अ मॉडरेटर शुड हैव एनफ एंड डिसेंट नॉलेज वंस he is supposed to moderate a particular event on a given topic। Filmmaking is broadly divided into 4 P's, so I will let you know 4 P's of filmmaking. Pre-production, prior to production of film or movie, you are supposed to manage the operations. How many number of cast you are supposed to recruit, main actors you are supposed to recruit, number of camera you are supposed to hire, a space and location you are supposed to hire, security and safety system you are supposed to take care of, each and everything, and total amount of money which is supposed to be invested in the particular production process. This is pre-production. Production, the ongoing process of production which you have channelized, right, which you have channelized virtually in a framework of pre-production, that is production. Post-production, once the film is completed, then mastering and mixing of videos, sound, and overall editing of that film is post-production process. And promotions, once the product, now these are 3 distinct steps or staircases or that particular assembly line via which your product go through, and right in the end of this process your product is ready to be released. Now in promotions we will be campaigning. This means we will be marketing our product to our segmented or maybe unsegmented customer who can view our videos or that particular film in a given theater, paid, unpaid, maybe on YouTube, maybe on Facebook, maybe on Instagram or any of the open portals, or maybe our website or vlogs. Promotions is a process in which you launch a campaign, let's say to publicize, advertise your final product which is supposed to be released on a precise date. That is basically a product launch actually. Matlab that is basically a support to a product launch. Marketing for the product which you do have, that means your film, maybe via educational institutions, maybe via top companies, maybe via participating in an event, maybe via sponsoring some kind of a sports. So basically advertising and reaching out to your customers and letting them know that this particular film idea will be released on this given date on these platforms and channels, right from radio to television to different portals to social networking site. And last but not the least, the modern 2021 era is all about OTT, over the top. So irrespective of the platform, wherever the film is supposed to be broadcasted or released, it should carry a vigorous marketing campaign to make it a success. It requires a vigorous marketing campaign to make it a success. As we all know that packaging is a silent salesman, isn't it? Let's come to public relations, advertisement, marketing, launching your company in some event, participating in some kind of activities, sponsoring different kind of sports, films, schools, corporate social responsibilities, and many more are the attributes of public relations profile. Basically, to launch company in public, there is well-known image of the company. In case if the company looks forward to change the image and perception of the customer, to change the perception and image towards its customer, public relation do look forward to liaising with topmost organizations which are somehow parallel to the same company, liaising in politics, liaising with bureaucrats, and so on respectively. Event management, we all know, every hotel or maybe some independent companies, maybe some organizations, and maybe some exclusive companies who have the core activity of event management. The product line remains marriage ceremonies, birthday parties, job fairs, education fairs, international conferences, career fairs, and so on. All the particulars of the event which will happen there, you are supposed to control as an event manager. Number of guests who are supposed to report to the event, from which all countries they are coming to the event, their security system, their safety, and the security system of the location, the security right at the venue, safety right at the venue, parking facilities, food, beverages, keeping in consideration how many delegates are there, from which variety of countries they have reported to the event, and their taste bud preferences, each and everything. We all know that event management is all about theme, what kind of activity it is, and the person who has thrown the particular event is an organizer. You are supposed to relate with him and then establish the entire event on the theme which he or she is looking forward to as the host. Brand manager. Brand manager, every other product, services, companies, right, in FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, fast moving consumer durables, services industry, media, any other company, whether it is in product or non-product companies, media channel, and each and every company which is looking forward to a reasonable growth, they do have brand managers. Now, brand managers are those professionals who will create a very distinct brand image of the given company. All of you may see Reliance has a different kind of image when compared to Tata. Tata has a different image when compared to Reliance. And there are many other companies who are giant companies, but we do not trust them. There are many other companies which are giant companies, but we do trust them. There are many national-based companies who have originated in India, but we do not trust them. And there are many companies who are international multinational companies. They are operating their products in India, and we do purchase. Let's talk about Domino's as an example. So, review these job profiles. Look forward to your ability in these skills. Most importantly, filter whether you are linguistic or not. For more info and letting yourself connect with the relevant job profile, do contact us. Which job profile or key responsibility area suits you best? To know this, get back to us on 888427 This entire counseling session is free of cost, sponsored by Aptitude Mate Education. Thank you.